I don't have a design board, but I do have lines running close to my ceiling in the workroom. So I've hung these 3 up that I've done. There's that one there with flames on it. Let me zoom in a bit. Skull in the middle and flames. There's going to be this one on the end, skull but to the side with flames. But I was told no colours, so it's white, so it'll stand out. And I really do enjoy doing flames. This was basically a trial for me. I wanted to see if I can do, what is it, McTavish quilting. And I quilted it to death, I think. But I've got McTavish not down pat, but fairly locked in my brain now. And that took me ages because the cotton kept breaking on me. And so altogether that, with the amount of dense quilting in it, took me 3 days. The centre skull ones, the quilting on that, you know, it's taken me a day, if that, to do all the quilting on those. But as well on this one that I've got the McTavish quilting on. As I was saying, I think, the McTavish quilting, and at the bottom of it, his nickname, everyone knows him as Toad. So that's 3 of the 6 done. I'm gonna see if I can do the other 3. It's his birthday on Friday. I'm not going to get this done by the time of his birthday, but I'm showing you some highlights. Thank you. Bye.